Welcome back, M.A.J. Customs fan. Welcome back. You guys, if you are new here, I'm Amanda. If not, welcome back. This video, y'all, I gotta organize. We ordered some shelves, right? Let me show y'all. So this is hubby's space right here. Y'all can see the cutting machines, computer, and as we go, keep going. This is my space, okay? We have stuff on the shelves. We have boxes, okay? Boxes that these shelves we just ordered came in, all right? Our plan is to hopefully put all the printers, these printers over here, cutting machines. We're just hoping to kind of use these shelves in this space over here, in this small area, this wall, right? So we're gonna take this printer as well and move it. We got to move all these boxes, the stand, everything, and hopefully the shelves that I just showed you will go right here, and hopefully we can get a bit more organized, because look, y'all, it's a whole mess, a whole mess going on. Okay, all right, so my older kids already started taking off the shelves up here that were there. Y'all probably seen them in previous videos, so I'm not even gonna worry about the holes, because the shelves should come up about right here somewhere. I don't know, but yep. So I'm gonna put these shelves together off camera because I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time, and then I'll be back to show y'all what they look like. Okay, y'all, so this is how far we've gotten. We got the whole shelf put together. Just pretty much trying to figure out what is going to go where on each shelf. So I put a Cricut right there to see how much room we'll need, because we have two. We also have the the Cameo 4. So I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna see how many machines I can get on this shelf. Okay, all right, so we're gonna get to moving the rest of this stuff out from the back down there so we can scoot this to the wall. Okay, all right, y'all, hubby's in here doing his thing while I take a break. He's just rearranging everything to his liking.
Nope.
That's not the one?
It ain't to my liking.
Oh.
It's a smart move.
Okay. Oh.
This big printer shape. This cord goes to this one, right?
The white cord, yeah.
Plug it in there. I got it. Press your back. I should have waited on that.
Why?
Because you get that screw right.
Oh, because you're lifting this one up.
Yeah, with the left.
Yeah.
It won't fit in there with this?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll fit right there.
So why you do these shelves there?
Because that's just how.
Oh, that's small.
No, this is taller. Oh yeah, because I did it so when we lift it, we can still put the heat in it. But if so you want to raise that, we can.
We can raise
Raise
it.
it?
Yeah.
Then we gotta take this one because they're locked in.
If we take that screw out, it ain't gonna drop down.
Yeah, that's why we gotta take this off. I'm just saying. All right, y'all. We're gonna just take this apart and redo it, and we'll be back. Okay, y'all. So this is what the room looks like. Okay, we like decluttered. Well, still some stuff down there, but it's not as bad. But I got my mock-up station back, which I'll be changing this because I want it to be more brighter. But I got my whole little layout right here. And then what are you talking about over there? And here goes where the the Cricut was here. Cameo 4 was right there. And now I can have my cardstock and my printer paper in sight, so I don't have to go digging through things. And then this is what the shelves are looking like. So we were able to put practically all our cutting machines and our sublimation printer. We ended up having to put them down there, you guys, because the shelves, they were shaking a little bit when we tried to print something on the big printers down here. So we put those last on the bottom. And then there are those Cameo, and then the inkjet printers are right here. Trying to get as far back as possible. Cricuts. That is a sublimation roll that we have yet to open and try. I'm probably gonna, what is it? Oh, okay, this is by A-Sub, you guys. It's sublimation paper that we just got. We have not used it yet, but we will be doing a video on that. And then this is A-Sub sheets. Okay, we got the 8.5. I think these are 11 by 17. Yep, 11 by 17. And then those are 13 by 19. This big one here. And then we have also blanks galore. Oh, this is my laminating pouches. My laminator is up on top shelf, but we have blanks galore right here. Okay, guys, you don't need butcher paper for this. I've said that in numerous of my videos. And then top shelf, we put some foam board under here, y'all, so we can put the cameras, all the cameras up there. And then the laminator, and then these are just some tumblers, and then Cricut mugs, and then my DTF powder. So overall, I really love the way this turned out. And also, you guys, another thing is these shelves are adjustable, so you can make them as tall or as short as you would like. So yeah, they are adjustable, if you guys were wondering that as well. Okay, we have so much more room, and we also threw out a lot of stuff, you guys. So yeah, I think it was a good idea. It was actually hubby's idea. It was hubby's idea.
You don't want to say that.
So you guys, I ended up liking it. It was a lot of cleaning we had to do. But if you guys can see from over here, it does look a lot better. So if you guys like this video, if it was very informative, or if you guys just like watching it, period, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see. Oh, and for the shelves, you guys, it has some, if you want to hook it to the wall, it does have some hooks for that. I meant to show them to you. Did I sit them down somewhere?
No,
They were in a little plastic bag on.
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know. Right there on the table. So the hooks look like this, y'all. You can hook it to the wall. We don't have ours all the way back to the wall because we want room for our paper to go through the back feeder. But yeah, it comes with 2 of these. And I will be posting, I think I said in the beginning of the video, I will put it up, the Amazon store we got it from. And it was like $109. And it took about a week to get, was it a week? A week to get to us. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I love the way everything turned out. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit your notification bells, subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and of course, you all, we will see you all in the next video. Stay blessed.